Oh! Hey, what do you think? What do you think of that?
That was so cool.
That was cool?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
No. I'm gonna jump over somebody right there.
You're gonna jump over somebody?
Yeah.
Hey, he's gonna jump over somebody now. Dude. Say what up. So, we made a video of you.
Wait, what?
Yeah. And you said you were gonna jump over some kids in it last time. So, are you gonna make that happen? Yeah? Okay. Because we left it on the cliffhanger.
I just need to go really fast and then go on that berm and I just need to jump high on the triple.
Okay. All right.
After the race. Why is that taking a picture of me?
It is. It's a video. You're videoing yourself right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump over some people and the people.
All right, Matthew. We're out here, and last time you said you were gonna jump somebody, right?
Yeah.
But you're still just a little young, so we're gonna warm up to it. So he's gonna jump over those cones first, and then if he makes that, we'll sacrifice a body.
No! Don't think about me.
There you go. That's what he's gonna do. All right. Just don't hit the cone. Don't hit the cone. All right.
I'm not going to.
Go do it.
I'm not gonna kill myself. I just need to go way up there.
All right. Go way up there. You got this, Matt.
Okay, I just need to take a break.
All right. Take a break. You got it.
Some people can't jump over it.
All right. You got it though. All right. Here he comes. Oh gosh, he's already jumping. All right, there's the body.
I feel like he's gonna jump way too much.
Don't jump too hard, just jump over the cones. You don't gotta clear the jump.